You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Hungarian author who was awarded the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature, so very significant, and I've heard many mispronunciations of his name. So let's hear the Hungarian pronunciation first. László Krasznahorkai. Krasznahorkai. László Krasznahorkai. Therefore, in English, it's normally pronounced, you can say it as László, stress on the first syllable, László Krasznahorkai. Krasznahorkai. Easy. Once you know, remember this one. László Krasznahorkai. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.